What was hidden from the wise and foolish, now revealed to the babe and suckling, and suckling, and suckling. Yeah, cause we say things are come up to bump. Feel that some of them are already. Feel that some of them are out here. Feel that some of them are out here. But if you run to the rock, you will took by attack. The things are come up to bump. And if you crawl like a snail, you will took by a nail. The things are come up to bump. Cause we say children of today, them no have no manners. They say them go to bed and they no say no prayers. But not the good they and the manners. And a heavy manners. Just stand and the wicked got to fall at the dead and the boy. Ignorance cannot solve this pollution, I would tell you. Yeah, things that come up to bump. The things that come up to bump. Feel that some of them are have headache. Feel that some of them are have headache. I me say dub them, rasta dub them. Feel that dub them, naughty dub them. Yeah, how the man say rasta? Say dub them, rasta dub them. Dub them, naughty dub them. Rub and scrub and dub and rub and dub and. Let me tell you how I mean. Yeah, how the man say rasta? Things that come up to Bob Dready. Righteous stand and the wicked got to fall. The dread and the balling. Them right, right on, right on. Oh gosh, right on. Yeah. Don't lead the way to every hour I would show her. I would jump from a pick with my roots to make it jump and twist and hold this and watch that and let go that thing. Yeah, cause it's the things that come up to bump. Feel that some of them are have headache. Feel that some of them are have face ache. Feel that some of them are have toothache. Feel that some of them are have belly ache. The righteous stand and the wicked got to fall. You run by the rock, you get took by a shot. You crawl like a snail, you get took by a nail. The things that come up to run. They dub them, rasta dub them. They rub them, rasta rub them. Dub them, rasta dub them. Rub them, rasta rub them. Dub them, naughty dub them. Rub them, naughty rub them.